Hi guys, this is Ajit. So we are going to be solving the last question. So let's go through the question. So we are given an array which is array of nums and then which is of positive integers, and then we can increase any value of the element in the array by at most one. So we can increase the value of any element in the array which is present, and then we can add it to one more one. And then at last we are going to return the maximum number elements we can select so that those elements is going to be consecutive. So let's take one example and then see how we can build the solution. So let's take this particular case. Let's remove 5. So we'll be having this. So let's sort the array. So it is going to be 1, 1, 1, and again 2. So there can be, we'll be considering the DP. DP will store the number of consecutive elements which will end at I, which will end at I. So if I say dp of I, then that is the maximum number of consecutive elements which we can build so that it will end at I. So that is what dp mentions. Suppose let's say we'll start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Let's take this number of iterations and then it is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5. This is the operation. At the 0th operation, let's take it like first operation. Yeah, let's take 0 as well. So at this stage, we are going to be having 0, and then again 0, and then 0, and then 0, and then 0, and then 0. So for the first operation, which we'll be doing for the first element. So for the first element, we can increase it to 2. So for the 2 to end, we should add 1 plus dp of 1, and then it can be dp of 2 as well. It should be maximum of these two. If it is 1, we are not going to increment this. So it is going to be 1 plus dp of 0, comma dp of 1, the maximum of these two. So this is what the transition. This is we are incrementing. For this one, we are not incrementing. We are going through the previous element and then we are checking. So let's pick the 1. Let's pick 1. This is 1. So at 1, we are going to say this is going to be 2. At 2, we are going to check dp of 2 which is 0, and then dp of 1 which is 0. 0 plus 1 will be 1, and maximum of 1 and 0 is going to be 1. And then we'll be taking this particular one. For this case, it is going to be 1 plus dp of 0. So 1 plus dp of 0 and then maximum of dp of 1. So this is going to be 1. So this is a case for first operation, and then this will remain same 0, 0, 0. And then we'll move to the next operation. So this is going to be the 0. And then for this particular case, we are going to say 1 plus 1, which is going to be 2. And then this is 1. So maximum of this will be 2. And then for this, it is going to be 0 plus 1. And then maximum of 1, which is going to be 1. So this is going to be 1. And then again for this, it is 0, 0. And then again 0. Again, if we'll have the same one, which is this, so we'll consider the same thing. So 1 plus 1 is going to be 1. 2 maximum of 2 and 2 will be 2. And then for this particular case, 0 plus 1 is going to be 1, and then maximum of 1 and 1 will be 1. So again it will be 0, 0, and then 0. For this particular case, it is 2. So if it is 2, then we need to start with 3. So 3. For this 3, 2 plus 1 we are going to consider, and then which is 3, and then maximum of 3 and 0, which is going to be 3. And then again for 2, it is going to be same thing. 1 plus 1, which is 2, maximum of 2 and 2 will be 2. And then again it will be same thing here. So this is a DP which at the last when we do all the operation. So out of these operations, the whichever maximum DP we have, we are going to return that. So this is going to be 3. So we'll walk through the code and then we'll understand. So we are just sorting the nums array, and then I'm declaring the DP and then assigning it the DP equal to 0. And then we are going through all the elements which are present in the array. And then for each case, I'm going to say DP of num plus 1 is going to be DP of num and then plus 1. This is when I increment the element which is present in the array. If I don't increment, then it is going to be DP of num only, and then it is going to be maximum of this and then this. At the last, we are going to say answer. Yeah, let's submit this. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.